Good morning, students. How are you all? Yes, I know you all are fine and safe in your home. But all are also bored sitting at home, right? No celebrations this year. All the festivals are coming and going without any celebrations. How you all felt? Bad? Lonely? Yes, you don't enjoy it, right? And what about your birthday? Yes, you have to celebrate with limited friends, right? So you enjoyed less this year. But think, suppose everyone will forget your birthday, how will you feel? You will feel bad, right? You will get angry on your parents too. Hmm. Tell me, do you like to go to parties? Yes, right? And what if it's your surprise birthday party? Wow, it will be a great fun, right? You will be very happy. The same thing happens with our friend Manku. Who is Manku? You don't know him? Oh, for that we have to read the story from our English one. Lesson number 5, Surprise Birthday Party. This is the story of Manku and Manku's friend. So I'll tell you this story. Are you all ready? Very good. Let's start the story. Look at the picture, listen and read. There was a monkey named Manku. So in this story, there is a monkey whose name was Manku. Manku lived in a cave. Where did Manku live? Yes, it lived in a cave. Do you know what is a cave? Yes, it is a natural home of animals who lives in jungle. This was the home of our friend Manku. A lake was near the cave. Where was the lake? Yes, it was near the cave. Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. As we know, in jungle we can see lots of animals and birds. The two birds, Ducky and Lucky, lives in the lake, which was near Manku's cave. Do you know who is Drake? The boy duck is called a drake and the girl duck is called the duck. And the young ones are called ducklings. Here, the drake named Ducky and a duck named Lucky both are brother and sister who lived in the lake. You all know that duck lives in near the water. Now Jin and Jenny, the cranes, lived near the lake. Now there are two more birds which lives near the lake, that is near the water. Who are they? Yes, they are Jin and Jenny, the cranes. These white color birds which lives near the water are called cranes. But do you know who are they all? Yes, all of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. As you all like to play with your friends, they also played together. Who can you name them? Who are they? Yes, Manku, Ducky, Lucky, Jin, and Jenny. Very good, all of you. One day, Manku became very happy. What happened one day? Yes, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is my birthday. So why was he happy? Yes, because tomorrow will be his birthday. You all enjoys on your birthday? Yes. In the same way, Manku also likes to enjoy his birthday. Ducky Lucky, Jin and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manku. So what do you expect on your birthday? Yes, that everybody will come and wish you, gives you gifts, right? Very good. Same way, Manku thought all his friends will come and wish him. So, it was a Sunday. So, as Manku was waiting for Sunday, has arrived. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours. But no one came. So, he felt very bad. So, what happened that day? After waiting for a long time for his friend, nobody came to wish him. So he was very sad. Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. So what he does? He went to a lake that maybe his friends are waiting there. So in search of these friends, he went to the lake, but no one was there. He searched for Ducky Lucky, Jin and Jenny, but he found no one. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. So what happened after seeing his friends? He came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. So what happened when he returned back to the cave? Yes, he saw a cake on the table and he was surprised. Wow, a cake, said Manku. So what Manku said looking at the cake? Yes, he said, wow, a cake. And also he was very happy. Ducky Lucky, Jin and Jenny came out and shouted, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! As soon as Manku reached near the cake, all his friends started wishing him, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! How you all wish your friends on his birthday? In the same way. Now, you all wish Manku. All of you, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Manku. Very good. We were waiting to give you a surprise, all said. So, what all of them said? Yes, they said to Manku that they were waiting to give him a surprise. So we don't wish you in the morning. I baked for you, said Jin. So who baked a cake for Manku? Yes, Jin baked a cake for Manku. I bought you some grapes, said Jenny. So what did Jenny bought for Manku? Yes, right. He bought grapes for Manku. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. So that brother sister, what they said? Who made the cake for table for Manku? Yes, Ducky Lucky, the brother and sister made the table for Manku. It's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. So what did Manku said? He said that you all gave me a big surprise. I am very thankful to you all. You all are my great best friends and I love you all very much. Then they all danced together. So what do you do in your birthday parties? Yes, What did they do? Right, they also danced together happily like you all, and they enjoyed the birthday party. Manku enjoyed the birthday party with Ducky Lucky, Gin and Jenny, his friends. So, from this, we understand that celebrations are incomplete without friends and family. We alone cannot enjoy our birthday. Now, we will read the lesson, page number 29. Use your pointer finger to read. So, let's start. Lesson number 5, Surprise Birthday Party. There was a monkey named Manku. Manku lived in a cave. A lake was near the cave. Ducky the drake and his sister Lucky lived in the lake. Gin and Jenny the cranes lived near the lake. All of them were Manku's friends. They loved to play together. One day, Manku became very happy. Oh, tomorrow is Sunday, and Sunday is my birthday. Ducky, Lucky, Gin, and Jenny will come to say happy birthday, thought Manku. Soon it was Sunday. Manku waited for a long time, for hours and hours, but no one came. So he felt very sad. Manku went to the lake, but no one was there. So sadly, Manku came back to his cave. Manku was surprised to see the cake on the table. Wow, a cake, said Manku. Ducky, Lucky, Gin and Jenny came out and shouted, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Manku! We were waiting to give you a surprise. All said. I baked cake for you, said Gin. I bought you some grapes, said Jenny. And we have made this table for you, said Ducky and Lucky. It's really a surprise for me. Thanks, my dear friends. You all are really great. I love you all, said Manku. Then they all danced together. See, in this picture they are dancing, right? Now, our first question is, talk about your favorite animal and write a few lines about it. So you have to write few lines on your favorite animal. It may be dog, cat, monkey, or anyone else. And our second question is, match the following things and sounds with their pictures. Every noise which comes or every sound which comes from anything or animal has its name, and the names are different. Now things are in the left side and sounds are on the right side column. So in thing, the first one is bell. Is the picture of bell? Yes, bell rings. What does the bell do? Bell rings. So you will match bell with the ring. What is the sound of bell? Yes, bell rings. Okay. All of you understood? What does bell do? The sound of a bell is ring. It rings. When the school starts, when the school is closed, that time the bell rings, right? You all know that, right? Bell rings. Now see the second one. Second one is HORN, horn. Horn. What has horn? Yes, a vehicle has a horn. And what is the sound of horn called? It honks. It doesn't rings. It honks. The sound of a horn is called honks. Now see the third one. CLOCK, clock. What is the sound of clock? What you hear? Tick, 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 right? So the sound of a clock is tick. The clock ticks. What does the clock do? Yes, it ticks. Now go to the fourth one. DRUMS, drums. What we do with a drum? We beats the drum, right? When we beat the drum, the sound comes, right? So the sound of a drum is called beat. What is the next one? DOOR, door. Right. When we push the door, the sound comes. That sound is called bangs. BANGS, bangs. The door bangs. What is the next one? DISHES, dishes. Dishes. When the sound of a dishes comes, it is called as clatter. The dishes clatter. Clatter. Right. You all will complete this in your textbook. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.